Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic for anyone struggling with shyness. We're going to share some amazing tips and tricks on how to transform from being shy to becoming a confident social butterfly. So, if you're ready to embrace your inner extrovert, let's get started. Before we explore the strategies, let's take a moment to understand that being shy is perfectly normal. Many of us have experienced shyness at some point in our lives, including my very self. However, if you're looking to break out of your shell and build meaningful connections, these tips will help you make a smooth transition. Self-acceptance. Step 1 is self-acceptance. The first steps to overcome your shyness is to accept your shyness and be comfortable with it. If you are shy, then accept it and embrace it totally. Understand that there's nothing wrong with being shy, it's a part of who you are. Embracing your introverted nature will allow you to focus on your strengths, creating a genuine foundation for personal growth. Gradual exposure. The next step is gradual exposure. Start by pushing yourself out of your comfort zone, but remember to take it step by step. Begin with small social interactions, like joining group activities or participating in friendly conversations. This approach will boost your confidence while giving you room to grow. Active listening. One of the key skills to master on your journey to becoming a social butterfly is active listening. Engage in meaningful conversations by giving your undivided attention, maintaining eye contact, and asking follow-up questions. By showing genuine interest in others, you'll create stronger connections and open up opportunities for deep dialogue. Body language. Your body language speaks volumes about your confidence and approachability. Stand tall, maintain an open posture, and smile. These simple adjustments can make a significant difference in how others perceive and interact with you. Positive self-talk. Positive self-talk can be a powerful tool in overcoming shyness. Boost your self-esteem with positive self-talk. Remind yourself of your strengths, successes, and unique qualities. Repeat affirmations to counter any negative thoughts that may hold you back and reinforce your belief in yourself. Next step is to engage in group activities. Participating in group activities or clubs that align with your interests is an excellent way to meet like-minded individuals. Surrounding yourself with people who share your passion will make it easier to connect and build relationships. Also practice empathy. One of the best techniques to enhance your interpersonal skills is practicing empathy. Put yourself in others' shoes, be understanding, and show compassion. By doing so, you'll create a safe and nurturing environment where people feel comfortable being around you. Lastly, face your fears head-on. Push yourself to engage in situations that challenge your shyness. Whether it's public speaking, attending social events, or sharing your opinions openly, taking these brave steps will gradually remove the fear of judgment you experience. That's our discussion for today on how to transform from being shy to become a social butterfly. Remember, embracing your introverted nature while actively working towards becoming more social is a beautiful journey. Celebrate every small victory, as progress is key. Be patient, be kind to yourself, and always remember that you have the power to spread your wings and become the incredible social butterfly that you desire to be. We hope you enjoyed this video and found these tips helpful. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.